Don't be nervous, bro.
The game of the year is...
Let's go.
Astrobot.
What? That's crazy. Black Myth Wukong did crazy numbers. Black Myth Wukong sold 20 million in 2 days. That is the biggest cap I've ever seen in my entire life. How I sell 18.5 more million units than you in 2 days than you sold since the launch of your game, bro. I'm done. I'm done. Here we go. There we go. You see the graphics? Let's go. Final Fantasy, we don't care. If Astro takes the game of the year, bro, I'm shutting the stream off immediately. Don't be nervous, bro.
The game of the year is...
Let's go.
Astrobot.
What? I'ma keep it a beam, bro. No way Astrobot is beating Black Myth. Astrobot out here cooking. I'm not believing it. Hey, that's a W for Sony, all right? I love Astrobot, but it is not beating Black Myth Wukong at all, bro. No freaking way that game is beating Black Myth Wukong. If that is not rigged, I don't know what is. Only reason, hold up. We don't care what they say. Well, let's just have a conversation. Listen, y'all. Listen. I put respect on Astro, but let's keep it all the way a beam, bro. The only reason they did not win Game of the Year, and I'm talking about Black Myth Wukong, the only reason they did not win Game of the Year is because they were a small studio. And there was no way that they was going to allow a small studio like that to win Game of the Year on their first game out. There's no way they're gonna get them that love. And to me, that's crazy. Black Myth Wukong did crazy numbers. It was so many people playing Black Myth Wukong over Astrobot, bro. Don't get me wrong, Astrobot was one of the, top rated games in the PlayStation Store? I get it, but Black Myth Wukong was legendary across multiple platforms, bro. It wasn't just PlayStation. People was high on playing that game on PC and on PlayStation. So you mean to tell me Black Myth Wukong was killing it on multiple platforms, but you mean to tell me Astrobot cooked? I'm not believing it, bro. Hold up. Let's look at some numbers, man. Astrobot sales. Damn, they sold. Okay, hold on, man. Wait a minute. Listen, bro. Listen. Hold up, bro. This is rigged. Okay, I'm about to give y'all some numbers. Bro. When I say this is rigged, this is rigged. Astrobot sold 1.5 million since launch. Black Myth Wukong sold 20 million in 2 days. That is the biggest cap I've ever seen in my entire life. How I sell 18.5 more million units than you in 2 days than you sold since the launch of your game, bro. Oh, that is the biggest cap, bro. I'm done, bro. No. I'm done. I am done, bro. No, I don't want to watch no more. Be quiet. We don't want to hear you talk no more, bro. That shit is so rigged, bro. There's no way I sold that many more units than you. And you mean to tell me that your game outperformed mine? Hey, listen, Devastator. Listen, man, I don't want to hear it, bro. I'm hurt. You can't tell me a 20 million unit game that sold in 2 days. I want y'all to see what I see, all right? And shout out to my guy, Devastator, bro. I appreciate the $2 holler, my guy. I appreciate the $2 holler. See, even my guy Soldier, listen. My guy Soldier said the same thing, bro. Said the same thing. I'm about to pull it up because I want y'all to see it, man. Look at the numbers, bro. How can your game be better than mine when I've sold way more units than you? And on top of that, I didn't hardly see anybody streaming. And I'm not saying streaming is the end all be all when it comes to what game is the popular game or not, right? But I can tell you this. The one game that I saw being played over and over in every freaking day, there was so many videos being put out on it, was Wukong. Way more than we saw Astrobot. I sold more than you in 3 days than you did since the launch of your game. And it is now freaking December 12th. But yet you win Game of the Year? Come on, bro. This is the most rigged thing ever, bro. So rigged, man. I'm hurt. Like, I'm legit hurt, bro. My dog out here howling. He hurt. Listen, we all hurt over here, all right? That's the biggest cap I've ever seen, bro. Well, it is what it is, man. You know, can't win them all. I know rigged when I see rigged, bro. I know rigged when I see rigged, man. CKid going Kanye the... Hey, listen, if I was there, first off, appreciate the $2 holler, my guy. If I was there, bro, I would have ran up on the stage. I would have been like, there's no way. They would have had to prove to me. I would have needed to see the numbers. What actually gave them game of the year? I need proof. I need validation. I need something. I need more than just here it is and walk off the stage. Nah. No. Not when my game has done the numbers that it did. I'm sorry. Astrobot, again, great game. I'm not knocking Astrobot because it is a fire-ass game, all right? But there is no way that game was better. I'm going to say it, bro. And this is coming from a person who got the game sent to them for free from PlayStation. This is how real I'm about to be right now, all right? This might ruin my relationship with them, but it is what it is, all right? I got to call a spade a spade. I got to keep it all the way it being. Astrobot, dope game. I can't take anything away from it. But no way in hell was that game even close, remotely close to be as good as Black Myth Wukong, bro. It wasn't even close. I get it, K. Jones. I get it, bro. Listen, I get it. Astrobot appeals to more demographics. I get it. But it can't appeal to more demographics when the numbers don't say it. The numbers don't say it. If we're going off of numbers, bro, that's all we can go off of. If we're going off of numbers, if I sell 18.5 million more units than you, my game reached a larger demographic of people. That's like for say on YouTube, right? This creator over here creates a PlayStation video and his video did 1 million views, right? Then if I drop a video and my video did 100,000 views, right? Whose video reached more people? The 1 million or the 100,000? So how can your game be more popular than mine, but yet I touched and reached way more people? And on top of, keep it a bean and let's keep it real. Black Myth Wukong was talked about in these streets. Let's not act like people wasn't talking about Wukong for months. I ain't gonna say for months, but for weeks. Astrobot, people talked about it for about a couple weeks, and that was about it. And we ain't really hear nothing else from it. It was a silent play in the background. Great game. Again, silent play in the background though, bro. All right. I'm gonna let it go, bro. But I can't give him that, bro. I can't give him that. I'm legit hurt, bro, because, listen, I'm hurt because of when you look at all of the people who played that game, and I'm mad for all of the people who played it, because if you played that game, you understand just how tough that game was to even beat. The bosses was just next level. The story was good. The character development was good. The artwork was fantastic. The graphics was out of this world. What else can you ask for out of a gaming studio, bro? But I'm telling you, the real reason they did not give him that W is because they didn't want to disrespect all of the other gaming studios that's been putting in the work, and they would have felt some kind of way if they would have gave a brand new studio. And again, man, shout out to Game Science, bro, because the shit that y'all did this year, bro, should be studied, okay? Clap it up for Game Science, bro. What they did this year should be studied. But this is what I hope it does for them, right? This is what I hope it does for them. I hope it makes Game Science come back out with a heater. I'm talking the next game be just undeniable and just crush everything moving. All right, I'm going to get off my soapbox, man, but I just had to let y'all know how I feel about that one. There's no way I'm going to let that ride. There's no way I was going to let that ride, bro. Golly. Astrobot Game of the Year. All right, okay. Let's boot up some COD, man. That's all we can do, man. I need some COD therapy right now, bro. Because that right there made 0 sense, bro. Ah, man. All right.